Hello, and welcome. Today, we're bringing you all the major highlights from the NVIDIA AI Summit in Mumbai, a game-changing event that's sparking a new era of artificial intelligence in India. From revolutionary partnerships to bold visions for AI self-reliance, there's so much to cover, so let's jump right in. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang set the tone for the summit with a powerful message: it's time for India to build its own AI. This isn't just a call to action, it's a vision for India to secure its future in AI by becoming self-reliant in technology, data, and innovation. Let's break down exactly what this means, and how NVIDIA and India are working together to make it happen. First update from the NVIDIA AI Summit is India's journey to AI independence. Huang emphasized the need for India to own its AI infrastructure. Imagine an India where foundational AI models are developed locally, trained on Indian data, and catered specifically to Indian needs. This concept of data sovereignty is about keeping data within the borders, protecting privacy, and enabling custom-built solutions to serve India's vast population. Why is this important? For a country with a population as diverse and unique as India's, localized AI will be able to adapt to the language, culture, and specific needs of its people. NVIDIA's support here is crucial, as it helps India build these capabilities on its own, without needing to rely on external systems. Next update from NVIDIA AI Summit is game-changing partnership with Reliance Industries. Next up, we've got one of the most exciting collaborations in recent history, NVIDIA and Reliance Industries. Together, they're developing what's called AI factories. Now, what's an AI factory? It's essentially a large-scale, advanced data center equipped to process and generate AI models at an incredible speed and scale. These AI factories are set to power an array of industries: telecommunications, manufacturing, healthcare, retail, and more. Think of them as the engines that will drive India's AI advancements, empowering sectors to operate smarter, faster, and more sustainably. This partnership is not just about tech but about transforming entire industries in India. With the first AI factory already in development, India is positioning itself as a leader in AI infrastructure, rivaling the most advanced AI hubs globally. Next update from NVIDIA AI Summit is training the next generation of AI talent with India's Gantt. Let's talk about talent. India's workforce is young, talented, and tech-savvy. To build on this, NVIDIA has partnered with Indian giants TCS, Infosys, Tech Mahindra and Wipro to launch a massive upskilling initiative. The goal? To train 500,000 developers in advanced AI and machine learning skills. This isn't just about teaching the basics. NVIDIA's curriculum covers everything from deep learning frameworks to ethical AI practices. Imagine the impact of 500,000 new AI experts, creating applications, building new AI tools, and contributing to cutting-edge research. With initiatives like this, NVIDIA isn't just investing in technology, it's investing in people. And with 500,000 skilled AI professionals, India is poised to take on some of the world's biggest AI challenges. Next update from NVIDIA AI Summit is semiconductor development support in India. AI development doesn't happen without the right hardware, and that's where semiconductors come into play. India is taking steps to establish itself as a key player in semiconductor manufacturing. During the summit, Huang expressed NVIDIA's commitment to supporting India's efforts in this area, linking AI advancements directly to semiconductor progress. Imagine a future where AI chips, built and designed in India, power the world's most advanced AI applications. This is more than a vision, it's a strategic move to secure India's place as a leader in both AI and semiconductor technology. Next update from NVIDIA AI Summit is India AI mission and government collaboration. The Indian government has been making big moves to support AI innovation, launching the India AI mission to create a robust AI ecosystem. NVIDIA's goals align closely with this mission. Through government collaboration, they're working to build accessible AI infrastructure that supports startups, researchers, and innovators across the country. Imagine an India where any budding AI researcher or entrepreneur has access to powerful AI tools, compute resources, and mentorship. This support network could help India lead the charge in areas like healthcare, agriculture, and smart cities. Next update from NVIDIA AI Summit is Made in India, AI-powered PCs. For creators and gamers, there's something special in store. NVIDIA is working with local partners to release high-performance, AI-powered PCs built right here in India. Equipped with NVIDIA's RTX technology, these PCs will support everything from immersive gaming experiences to intensive AI development tasks. This new line of PCs isn't just for high-performance computing, it's designed for accessibility, giving students, artists, and developers an entry point into AI without needing expensive, imported technology. Next update from NVIDIA AI Summit is launch of Nematron for Mini Hindi for Billion Parameters model. At the NVIDIA AI Summit in Mumbai, several exciting developments underscored NVIDIA's commitment to supporting India's growing AI landscape, especially in language model development tailored to Indian languages. One of the summit's highlights was the launch of the Hindi LLM, a significant achievement due to the complexity and diversity of Hindi, which NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang noted as one of the most challenging languages for AI. This milestone model, Nematron for Mini Hindi for B, is a condensed but powerful Hindi language model available as an NVIDIA NIM microservice, designed for deployment on NVIDIA GPUs to meet the specific language needs of Indian enterprises across sectors, such as education, healthcare, and customer service. In collaboration with local companies, NVIDIA aims to democratize AI for Indian languages beyond Hindi. Tech Mahindra, for example, has adopted this model for its Indus 2.0 project, which focuses on capturing and accommodating the many nuances of Hindi's dialects. Furthermore, startups like Servam AI and Gnani.ai are innovating AI solutions in Indic languages with NVIDIA support. Servam AI has built Servam 1, a multilingual LLM for 10 Indian languages, leveraging NVIDIA's NeMo framework. This collaboration extends to large enterprises like Flipkart, which has started incorporating NeMo guardrails to enhance conversational AI safety in its systems. Through initiatives like these, NVIDIA is not just advancing the AI capabilities for Hindi and other regional languages, but also actively collaborating with Indian IT giants like Infosys, TCS, and Wipro to build infrastructure and deploy customized AI solutions that are adaptable, safe, and effective for businesses. What's the big picture? These initiatives go far beyond technology, they're about empowering a nation. With NVIDIA's partnerships, training programs, and infrastructure development, India is on the path to becoming a global AI powerhouse. From healthcare to education, every part of society stands to benefit. NVIDIA's vision isn't just about building AI, it's about using AI to build a better future for everyone.